we'll guide you through how to create dynamic block AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Create the objects that you want to convert into a dynamic block, or open an existing drawing that already contains the required objects. Click inside the command line, type block, and press Enter to open the block definition dialog box. Enter a unique name for the block in the name field. Click Pick Point and select a base point that will be used as the insertion point. Next, click Select Objects and select all the objects you want to include in the block. Press Enter to finish selecting the objects and return to the block definition dialog box. Enable Open in Block Editor, then click OK to create the block and open it in the Block Editor. In the Block Editor tab, click Parameters, then select Linear. Specify the base point and press Enter. Click the parameter again, right-click Grip Display, and select 1. Next, select the parameter and open the Properties palette. Set distance type to increment. Enter the increment length based on the distance from the base point to the right side of the chair. Set the minimum distance to half of the increment value, then specify the maximum distance. After that, click Actions and select Stretch. Select the parameter, specify the base point, define the stretch frame, and select the objects to stretch. Next, click Array, select the parameter, choose the objects to array, and press Enter. Specify the base point if prompted. Finally, click Save Block, then click Close Block Editor to save the dynamic block and return to the drawing.